Namaskar. Your skin is the largest organ of your body and it works day and night to protect you from pollution, UV rays, dust, internal toxin, and even internal stress. But when this protective barrier gets overworked, you begin to notice signals like uneven skin tone, early wrinkles, dryness, or even stubborn acne marks. Most of the time, these problems are not because your skin is weak, but because it is lacking the right nourishment. Modern lifestyle habits like too much screen time, late night, processed food, stress, and chemical laden products strip your skin of its natural glow. That's why instead of putting more chemicals on your skin, it is far more powerful to support it with natural serums that delivers vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration directly to where they are needed. And the best part is that you can easily make these serums at home with pure ingredients that are safe, gentle, and deeply effective. So, let's explore 3 powerful DIY face serums you can easily prepare and use. The first one is Vitamin C Brightening Serum. You know how an apple turns brown once it is cut and exposed to air? The same thing happens to your skin every single day. Pollution, sunlight, and stress causes oxidative damage, which shows up as dullness, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. Vitamin C is your skin's shield against all these. It neutralizes free radicals, boosts collagen, and brightens the complexion. When you make a natural vitamin C serum at home with orange peel powder and aloe vera, you're feeding your skin with antioxidants in their purest form. With regular use, you will notice fewer marks, smoother texture, and a glow that is not cosmetic but cellular. So to make this serum at home, take 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel, squeeze in a teaspoon of lemon juice and add a few drops of rose water. Mix this well until you get a smooth serum-like texture. Store it in a small glass bottle in the fridge and apply it at night after cleansing. In this whole mixture, you have to even add 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder and a few drops of rose water. Mix this well until you get a smooth serum-like texture. Store it in a small glass bottle in the refrigerator and apply it at night. Aloe vera soothes and hydrates. Lemon gives a vitamin C boost. Rose water cools and refreshes. Orange peel powder and lemon gives vitamin C boost. The second serum we will talk about is a collagen-boosting serum. Collagen keeps your skin firm and plump, but it naturally reduces as we age. After the age of 25, your body produces less of it each year, which is why fine lines and sagging slowly creep in. To encourage your skin to produce more collagen, try this recipe. Soak a teaspoon of flaxseed in 2 tablespoons of hot water and let them release a gel. Strain this gel and add few drops of vitamin E oil or even almond oil. Apply this lightly on your skin. The flaxseed gel is rich in omega-3 and plant-based collagen booster, while vitamin E or almond oil deeply nourishes and repairs. With time, you will notice improved elasticity and a healthier bounce to your skin. And finally, let's look at this anti-aging serum. Most anti-aging products in the market are loaded with harsh retinol or chemicals that irritate the sensitive skin. but Ayurveda has long known a gentler way. Ashwagandha, often called as a strength herb, is not just for your body, it also works on the skin by reducing cortisol damage, calming inflammation, and improving blood circulation. When infused into a serum with a base like jojoba oil, it reduces puffiness, softens wrinkles, and restores that youthful bounce. So, let's see how you can make an anti-aging serum using ashwagandha and jojoba oil. What you have to do is take 1 tablespoon of pure jojoba oil, add a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder and mix well. Apply it at night. Keep for 10 minutes and scrub off with a damp towel. Do not wash your face. Let the skin absorb its goodness overnight. This serum is deeply restorative because jojoba oil balances the skin's natural oil. On the other hand, ashwagandha regenerates and reduces the signs of aging. Remember, the truth is, your skin does not need chemicals to glow. It needs nourishment, hydration, and balance. These natural serum provides just that. And when you prepare them with your own hands, you also add the power of care. Namaskar.